how to turn off ringtone vibration on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guide studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can turn off or disable the ringtone vibration on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in, guys. Well, so turning off the ringtone vibration on your iPhone is pretty quick and easy. Simply go ahead and open up the settings application on your device and then scroll down, tap on sounds and haptics. Once you tap on that, you'll get to see the ringtone. So go ahead and tap on ringtone right here, select your SIM card right from here, and at the very top you'll get to see the haptics. You just need to tap on this one, and as you can see, it's selected with the default right here. So we have to just need to scroll down to the very bottom and select none from here, and you're pretty much good to go. And this is how you actually can turn off the ringtone vibration on your iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.